Have you been thinking about buying an oceanfront condo in Boca Raton, Florida, but you don't know who to trust or even where to start? Well, I go by the name of Just Josh Grant. I'm a South Florida local for the last 25 years, and behind me, I have a fully renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a $1 million view of this ocean that I want to share with you. So, just click on my profile, get to know me more, or you can simply click the link below and view the property, and I hope to talk to you soon.